Good morning everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video you are going to learn about computers, symbol, sign and character. We all know without any symbol, character or sign, computer is incomplete. So for learning about these things, these symbol, character or sign, let's move to the window screen where you can see the sign with their name and I will explain you their uses. So let's start.
Character, symbol and sign name. There are more than 100 plus frequently used characters, punctuation, symbols or sign that are included in most fonts. These included punctuation mark and other symbol used in typography. Typography, it is the style and the appearance of printed matter. Technically, these character shapes are called glyph. It spells GLYPHS. The typeface used for most examples is Arial bold. Small lines indicates the base line like x height and the ascender and descended heights. There are different types of character which we use in phase of currency, letters, maths, number, punctuation, symbol and emoji. So the first one is currency. It is a medium of exchange for goods and services. In short, it is a money. And it is denoted from different character in different places. Next one is letters. There are the combination of English alphabet which represent some special meaning of other languages. Next one is maths. It is an arithmetical operation. It means these are operations which we use with digits such as plus, minus, multiplication, etc. Next one is numbers. It is a journal number with some journal changes to show about any category or thing. Next is punctuation. These are small characters which show something has to be done. Next one is symbol. It is a mark or character used as a conventional representation of an object or process. Next one, emoji. It is a pictograph. Okay, it is a pictographs which are related with emotions. There is another word which is quite related with emoji, that is emoticons. Now, what is the difference between an emoji and emoticons? Emoticons are a punctuation marks between letter and numbers used to create pictorial icons that generally display an emotions or sentiment. The most common one is the smiley and my favorite one is the shrug. You can see here a smiling face raising up the hand and twisting its arm. Now emoji. Emojis are pictographs embedded in a font. These are most recent. They were invented in Japan in 1997 for use on mobile phones. The emoji alternatives to the above mentioned emoticons are used. There are different type of emojis such as smiley and the people emojis, animal emojis, food emojis, travel places emojis, object emojis, and so on. Now we will proceed further and learn the different signs which we use in our daily life, but hardly we know the proper name of that sign. So the first one is almost equal to. This sign is called almost equal to. It denotes items that are approximately equal. When we are comparing, when we are finding out the difference or equal in between two digits, so this sign is perfect for finding out the equality between two numbers. Next is ampersand. Okay, it spells AMPERSAND. Ampersand. Ampersand can be used to indicate that the and in the listed item is a part of the item's name and not separator. Like we can take an example: rock, pop, and rhythm. You might have seen in your textbook most of the time where we used and in place of and this symbol is used. Next is angstrom. It spells ANGSTROM. Angstrom. It is a unit of length used for measuring wavelength of light. This is a unit which is especially used in a physics subject, and it represents the measuring of wavelength of light. Next one is apostrophe. It spells APOSTROPHE. Apostrophe. It used for two functions. First one is to show that a thing or person belong or relates. When a thing or a person relate with someone, this sign help us to show the connection between those things. The second function is to use with a person names in the and. Next is, this is a approximately equal to sign. It is used to show that two or more than two digits are approximately equal to. When we find the comparison between two digits, whether it is equal to, whether it is greater or lesser, this sign help us to find out the approximately equal to between two digits. Next is asterisk. It is a little star used to indicate a footnote or as a bullet point also. You might have seen this small star in your book as well, where it help us to indicate some special note which help us to remember it for a long time. Next is at sign. It is a at sign. It is used as in accounting as is called at a rate of. This is a sign which especially belong from commerce subject, where it is also known as at a rate of. But nowadays it is common especially in Gmail addresses. Next one is backslash or slash. A slash can show a line break in a literature, and a backslash is used to set a difference between any words. Next one is a broken vertical bar. Broken vertical bar, it denotes some corrupt operation during programming. While we do coding or programming in our computer, if some command is incorrect, so this broken vertical line help us to find out the incorrect command which we have input. Next is bullet. It is a small black circle which show each new part of list. Bullet you might have studied in Microsoft Word. When we enlist item, so we are having two options, whether we can enlist those items in a bullet form or in a ordered list, and next one is unordered list. In ordered list we use numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and in unordered list we use bullet or some other symbols like bullet. Alright, so bullet help us to make a new point or add a new item in our list.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope also you have learned many more things. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.